Hey everybody, Nick from Rich & Sons here with another edition of my favorite floor plan. So here we have the Hideout320MBS. I really like this floor plan just for the fact that you do get a cool bunk room in it, and it's also got a rear living in it. So you know, if you have kids now, in the future, the kids get older and move out, you can change that room into an office or use it for storage, and you still have the rear living set up in the Hideout. So. Front window on this, which is a very unique thing in this price point segment, fifth wheels. It is prepped for observation camera on the back and the sides. And of course, your fifth wheels, you're always going to have your pass-through storage here. So tons of space to store whatever you need. And we'll get into the fun part of it. We're going to go inside here. So when you walk in, the first thing you're going to notice is the bunk room. It's kind of a unique bunk room because there is 3 beds in this. Each bed can hold up to 300 pounds. So, you know, however big you might be, you should be able to fit on there. The kids love it because you get that top bunk in there, and you got all this storage underneath this bottom bunk too. Or you could sleep a 4th kid if you really wanted. But anyway, you can still put a TV in here. It's kind of hard to see where the camera is, but if not, you know, at least they got a place to sleep. And again, you get the bunks plus the rear living. So you get a rear living set up here, good counter space. You get a single basin stainless steel sink, the high-rise faucet, so if you have little babies, you can still give them a bath in here if you want. 8 cubic foot fridge, tons of storage. There's drawers and cupboards all over in here. Nice big cabinet up there also. 8 cubic foot fridge, so plenty of storage for your food and everything. Big TV and a fireplace, which is a thing that Hideout always likes to throw on their campers. And again, at this price point, that's an excellent feature to have. Those cool nights where you don't want to turn your furnace on, that fireplace is perfect for that. You get a trifold sofa, you get theater seating, you get the tall ceilings of the fifth wheels, windows all over the place so you can see all the kiddos running around outside if you want, and you still get your table and chairs also. Again, like I mentioned in the bedroom, there is the front window. Looks like the shade's down on it, but that's okay. And you got the shade there anyway, so you can close it off when it's really sunny out, but I think it's just a really cool feature, especially for this price point of camper, to have that on there. Queen size bed, tons of storage next to the bed. And then also right behind is a big wardrobe area and a couple of drawers for some clothes too. So lots of storage in this, and you can put lots of kiddos in here, and you can still kind of feel like you have a couple's coach. And this is, again, I keep talking about the price. The price of this camper is $34,999. That's your best price. MSRP is $47,696, and so with 10% down, it's about $3,500. You could get this camper for $294. So if you need any more information or anything, give me a call. Thanks, guys.